Welcome to a day in the life of a multifamily real estate investor with BPG Holdings and Cassidy Burns as we start a renovation on 2 of our units in our 15-unit multifamily building in Waynesboro, Virginia. Stop by for a quick coffee, and here we are at the Hamlet Townhomes. 15 units, all 2 levels, 2 bedroom, 1.5 bath. We'll be doing some exterior CapEx items. As you can see, the tenants left lots of their items. Avec Construction is who we hired to do the work on these 2 units. We'll be doing paint, ripping up all carpet and flooring to put a laminate LVP. We're going to keep the current cabinets, and then a new appliance package will also be added. Some other items that we'll be touching on is we'll be doing some siding repair on the exterior of the building. Going to give the mailbox a fresh coat of paint, as well as give all the tenants new exterior light fixtures to really make the exterior pop. And then we're also going to be power washing this building once we get into the warmer months. Also, we stopped by a site that we're going to be acquiring in the coming weeks. This site is going to be a 2-phase development project where we're going to be building 126 units. It used to be an old Ford building and a Michelin tire. We're going to try to reuse some of the steel. Really excited about this project. This will be 11,000 square foot of retail with 48 units up top. And then we bought the acreage behind the building where we're going to be building 60 to 70 townhomes, garden style apartments. So to summarize today was a great day for BPG. We started the renovation of the 2 units at the 15-unit multifamily building. We got it completely demoed. We had all flooring already at the property, so actually they laid the entire top floor of the first unit, unit number C, and gonna finish that tomorrow, and then hopefully the painters will be there this weekend.